Hello, I'm back. Oh, yeah. Mind it, I'm just gonna play this.
Dapat hindi talaga nakikita sa flower cafe. Hindi ka naman ni Madam Jacinta na hindi mo natapos yung shoot mo, no? Pero syempre, mas kailangan ka ng anak mo ngayon. Makapalig lang ako sa bahay sa kakaisip ko lang pwedeng mangyari. Lalo na si Pedro na hindi naman yun.
Hindi may lagi. Move, man, move. Oh my. I'm not doing a solo run, but let's go. Matchmaking. What the? Going down. My internet is a bit bad in the other room that I showed you, but it's okay. I'm still laggy though. I hope this fits inside the 1 minute of TikTok. Let's go. Ready up. Hey, ready up. Should I play as Tisha? Now I want research. I gotta pee. How do I can move this? Oh, nice. Ready up already. I gotta pee.
Sorry po rin.
Perfect timing. Who this? Not me. I'm a Roger. Oh my god. I need research. My machine, please. My machine. Please. No, please. I need it. Machine. Yes. Sana. Bye-bye, puppy. Please don't die. This is my machine. There we go. I hope this fits in. It's been 3 minutes already. Sorry, puppy. Oh, nah. This is the end of the episode. Bye.